shutdown doon. Kaya umigpit sa depensa. No sense of urgency para sa ano. Well, you know, with this kind of lead right now, and with the opposition they know they're obviously facing. Nakakanginahin din nila ito. They like that, nakalakas, nakakilamang. And the challenge is to be consistent with their efforts throughout the game, kahit na tapak na hinahabol nila.
Cambodia coming off a loss against Malaysia, 73-58. Mas dikit-dikit na laban.
Sino kausap mo? Si Daddy?
Pero here, 71 points ang Pilipinas, 37 pa lang ang Cambodia, and we're just third quarter at this rate. Philippines might get 100. A pass inside, telegraph. Ratana, it seems, yes. Ratana in and out, marks the rebound. 1:24 remaining, ball tip by Ratana to save the Philippines with 21 seconds on the shot clock.
Sa laro si Garuela, so yung sinasabi natin, maikilin talaga yung rotation natin ng big men, ano?
Yeah.
In fact, he's coming in for Ray Parks. You know, wala Mark was down, so it's Garuelas and Belo. The two bigs on the floor for Sinas right now.
May priority yata for resting minutes. Siguro sa Marcus Stalton, ano? Easy basket for Keeper Avena off the miss by Kevin Sterev in the corner. Coming down to 1 minute remaining in the third quarter. Ratana shows him his ball handling skills. 9 seconds to shoot. To what? He got and behind the basket. He basket was a call from the officials.
Sino kausap mo sa telepono? Huh? Sino kausap mo? Huh? Si Daddy? Tinatawagan mo? Kausapin mo.
This was something
Sumagot na si Daddy, sumagot. Wala pala sa telepono si Daddy eh. Ayan pala eh, oh. Sumagot, oh.
Pa! Naglilinis lang po ng bote mo. Right po?
Bakit pa?
Naglilinis ang bote
Nagpapakit sa'yo yung Daddy, na miss ka maghapon eh.
Pretty much just like the second, talagang we outscored Cambodia. Ito na po, 19 in the second, 32 for in the third quarter. And it's a 76.
Ano na? Ano nang ginagawa mo? Tulugan na tayo? Sleep na tayo, Raven? Ayaw pa? Ituro mo muna sa akin, nasa na ang apple? Nasa ng apple? Nasa ng apple? Turo muna sa akin dun yung apple. Dali. Turo mo sa akin yung apple. Oh, wag mo katakutin na cellphone mo. Maganda mo yung cellphone mo. Oh. Naka na, turo mo na yung apple. Oh. Turo mo kay mami yung apple. Dali, hindi makita ni mami. A is for apple. Where is the apple? Turo mo yung apple. Apple, taas. Tayo, tayo, tayo. Oh. Turo mo ang apple. Asan ang apple? Yan. Very good. Oh, where's the ball? Yan. Where's the cake? Cake. Huh? Dog na lang. Dog. Asan ang dog? Dog. Asan? Turo mo. Hindi ko makita. Yan. Very good. Oh, where's the cake? Yan. Oh, where's the fish? Fish. Wow, fish. Oh, guitar yan eh. Where's the fish? Yan. Very good. Oh. Where's the egg? The egg. Oh, the egg is beside the dog. Nasaan yung dog? Aba. Aba, 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 aba. Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Raven loves the dog. That's a guitar. Oh! Nalaglag ang cellphone ni Daddy. Lagot. Quiet ako? Quiet ba si Mami? Quiet ba si Mami? Quiet? Ha? Quiet si Mami? Hahanapin niyo ni Daddy yung cellphone niya. Quiet si Mami? Quiet? Quiet. Sige, quiet. Secret natin yan, ha? Hindi ko sasabihin, nahulog mo? Nana. Kiss mo na si Mami. Flying kiss mo. Isa pa. Hindi ko nakita. Isa pa. Flying kiss. Wow. Bye-bye na. Say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye. Good night. Say I love you. Isa pa nga. Isa pa nga. Say I love you pa ulit. Ulitin mo. Laksan mo. Okay, bye-bye.